What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself with another video. And today we're going to talk about the superpower that you have. Alright, there's a superpower that everyone has. Every single person on this earth has, and they probably don't even know it's a superpower. Some people use it, some people don't. Some people use it every day. Some people use it weekly, some people use it monthly, some people use it yearly, and that is setting goals. Okay, there's a superpower in knowing your goals and having your goals and reading your goals, because those goals keep you on track through the ups and downs of life. Those goals keep you pushing.
That on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
So write your goals down. Look at your goals often. Every day, actually. Every day you wake up, look at your goals. Read them and digest them. Kind of soak it in. Know where you're going. Know where you're headed. Every day. You go out there and you find your way to your goals every day. So like I said, you write them down, know what they are. You set weekly, monthly, and yearly goals. Read them, digest them, embody them, and you will reach those goals. Trust and believe. You have no choice to. Your mind and subconscious mind will push you towards you reaching those goals. Long as you've embodied, you've kind of just became those goals, became the person that you need to be to reach those goals. That's the main thing right there, becoming the person. Because it's not about the goals, it's the journey. That journey will change you. That journey will force you to become who you need to become to get to the goals. It's pretty much that simple, and there's no way around it. You can't get to the goals that you set for yourself without becoming a different person. You're not going to stay the same. You're not going to be the same person in 6 months. You're not going to be the same person in a year. You're not going to be the same person tomorrow. You're not going to be the same person in a week, okay? Incrementally, you're going to build a different you by reaching those goals, because you have to. There is no way around it. If you don't, you're dying. If you're not growing, you're dying. And if you're not changing, you're staying the same. And only things that stay the same are things that are dead. It's that simple. So if you're not dead, then you need to have goals to keep growing and to keep being better, be a better you, to reach the goals that you set for yourself. All right? That's it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being a wealth builder. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work, signing on for. You got superpowers. You don't even know.
That on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.